durian. I know, so the reason why I want to do this is because something happened really recently. Because even Kiara, last time she went here, she freaking ate durian, you know?
No. So this is also from the freezer.
No,
not fresh durian. It's a...
Oh yeah, it's not as smelly.
It's not smelly.
Oh?
It's not that smelly.
It's not that smelly.
Yeah.
You can hardly smell it, right?
Not so bad. Maybe it's because Muna was feeding me. Muna fed me and it was okay.
It was fine, right?
Maybe it's because this one, you know, maybe because it's frozen, it doesn't smell so bad. Thank you, Muna!
By the way. Anyway, she freaking ate durian. So I was like, even the bird, even the overseas bird ate freaking durian. So I didn't want to lose to her, okay? You know? So that's why I decided I want to eat the durian now, okay? Rasanya! Kesurupan. Okay. See, I respect it. This is me trying to understand the durian enjoyers. At this point, I think like I already know that it's not for me after all. But oh god, respect the king. I'm trying my best to respect it.